We're going to explain how to fix the Citra cannot retrieve remote tree error. This frustrating issue prevents Citra, the Nintendo 3DS emulator, from updating its content, making it impossible to download new games or updates. Let's troubleshoot this problem step by step. 1. Check your internet connection. The most common cause is a simple lack of internet connectivity. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet and that your internet connection is stable and working correctly. Try opening a web browser and visiting a website to confirm. 2. Firewall and antivirus interference. Firewalls and antivirus software sometimes block Citra from accessing the internet. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if that resolves the issue. If it does, you'll need to configure your security software to allow Citra access to the internet. Look for Citra.exe in your firewall's allowed applications list and add it if it's not there. 3. Proxy server issues. If you are using a proxy server, Citra might not be configured to work with it. Check your proxy server settings and ensure they are correctly configured. You might need to specify the proxy server address and port within Citra's settings or system-wide network settings. 4. DNS problems. Incorrect or problematic DNS settings can also cause this error. Try changing your DNS server to a public DNS server like Google Public DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. You can change this in your network adapter settings. 5. Citra. Update. An outdated version of Citra might have compatibility problems. Check the official Citra website for the latest version and update your emulator. Sometimes a newer version fixes underlying connectivity issues. 6. Reinstall Citra. If none of the above solutions work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Citra. This ensures that you have a clean installation without any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Before reinstalling, make sure to back up any save files you might have. 7. Run Citra as administrator. Right-click the Citra shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This grants Citra more system permissions, potentially resolving access issues. 8. Check for Citra server issues. Occasionally, there might be a temporary problem on Citra's servers. Check the Citra forums or social media for any reports of widespread server outages. If there are problems on their end, unfortunately, you'll have to wait for them to resolve the issue. If you've tried all these steps and you are still encountering the cannot retrieve remote tree error, you may consider seeking help in Citra's online forums or support channels. They can provide more specific guidance based on your system configuration and any error messages you might be seeing. Remember to always be cautious about downloading Citra from unofficial sources. Stick to the official website to avoid malware or corrupted files.